Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. This wheelbarrow tire is completely flat and off the rim. How to inflate this tire? Follow those simple steps. Please watch entire video to know how to fix this tire. The first before we go to next methods. Let's try to add air directly by removing tire valve core. It didn't work because the tire edge or tire walls both sides are off. And the air is escaping quickly, so let's go to next method. Hammering the tire edge into the rim also not working because tire is very tight, tire edge keeps slipping off the rim. Let's go to the third method. Using a rope or tie rubber strap. This will force the tire edge to the rim just enough to keep the air pressure inside the tire to start, and the air will push tire walls against the rim. This method works excellent. You can also use tire lubricant to prevent any leaks from tire walls. Make sure never add more air pressure than what is written on the tire.
16.
Yeah, 16.
A lot more.
For this one, tire pressure is 30 psi.
33, yeah, that's good. High 10.
33.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. All the best. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. All the best.